This year has been a tough one, especially for us here in Florida. Hurricanes Milton and Helene left a lasting impact.
Flooding in the Atlanta area.
More than a foot of water inside Joanne.
And as we continue to rebuild, it's important to talk about what this means for your insurance and financial future. Let's dive into some critical updates that will help you stay prepared. Let's start with the storms. Milton and Helene caused billions of dollars in damage across Florida. Whether it's home repairs, car replacements, or even temporary housing, insurers are processing a record number of claims. This increased risk exposure is leading to higher premiums across the board. What can you expect? Floridians should anticipate increase in their insurance premiums next year. These changes will vary depending upon your provider and the specifics of your coverage. It's important to note that these adjustments won't just impact new policies. Renewals are likely to see changes as well. So how can you prepare? If you haven't already reviewed your policy's coverage limits and deductibles, consider whether your deductible is manageable in case of a claim. It's also a good time to look at flood insurance, even if you're not required to carry flood insurance. Remember, standard homeowners insurance doesn't cover flood damage. Here's a pro tip. Take an inventory of your home's contents. This can speed up the claims process and ensure you're reimbursed fully for damaged or lost items. Another topic to consider is the rising importance of cybersecurity. With so much of our personal and financial lives online, cybersecurity is a growing concern. Here are some of the risks to be aware of. From phishing scams to data breaches, cybercriminals are finding new ways to steal your sensitive information. A single breach could cost you thousands of dollars, not to mention the time and stress of restoring your identity. That's where cyber liability insurance comes in. It can cover costs like credit monitoring, legal fees, and even lost wages due to identity theft. Some policies also include expert support to help you recover faster. Here are some quick tips for staying safe. Use strong, unique passwords and enable multi-factor authentication. Monitor your credit report regularly. Be cautious of unsolicited emails and links. Let's talk about financial stability. With inflation and market volatility, many families are reassessing their financial plans. Insurance plays a crucial role in protecting your financial health. Life and disability insurance. If you are the primary earner, life insurance ensures your family is taken care of if something happens to you. Disability insurance replaces a portion of your income if you're unable to work due to illness or injury. Retirement and savings protection. Review your policy riders. For example, some life insurance policies offer living benefits which you can access during financial hardship or severe illness. Here's another pro tip. Reassess your coverage needs yearly, especially if you've had significant life changes like a new job, a home purchase, or a new child. We know insurance isn't a one-size-fits-all. That's why you need to review your policies often to make sure changes in your lifestyle and risk factors are taken into consideration. Insurance is about peace of mind, and we're here to help you navigate these changes with confidence. Contact us today at 727-748-2886 to speak to one of our trusted insurance advisors. Let's make sure you're ready for a wonderful 2025.